Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome to our first semester project at UAT Lahore, the Hotel Management System, a console-based software solution developed in C++ to streamline hotel operations. This project is designed to efficiently manage hotel booking, guest records, room availability, billings, feedback, and administrative tasks all through a single interface. The system starts with a login screen where the user select either manager or a client by entering the correct username and password. If the user log in as a manager, they get access to add and view rooms, checking complaints, view client profile, manage booking and notifications, deactivate users, and checking the platform health. But if the user log in as a client, they can register and update profile, view and book rooms, rate the hotel and food, submit feedback and complaints, and view rooms and order food. All operations are displayed through a menu-driven interface, and the data like complaints, rating, and notifications are stored in a global variable for simplicity. This project uses basic C++ concepts like functioning, conditions, and file handling to stimulate a simple hotel management system. Let's move toward the function definition. The first function is the feedback that allow clients to share their opinion about the hotel. The next one is viewing feedback. Yeah. It reads and display all feedback entered from the client feedback txt file. If no feedback is found, it simply show a relevant message. The other function is like client profile. This function collects client basic information like their CNIC, their name, their city, and a short biodata. The other function is viewing client profile. With this function, user can view their saved profile data. It takes the details from client profile.txt and then display them. The other function is client's update. If the client wants to update their profile, we use this function. This function just override the existing profile with a new single line output. We have another function named add room. The hotel management can add room using this function. It take room number, their type, their price, and the information is saved in a file named room.txt. To view all room added to a system, the view room function reads from the rooms.txt and display the list on the screen. We have another function named deactivate user, and this function allows the admin to deactivate any user by saving their username in deactivate users.txt file. It can be helpful to manage inactive or blocked clients. Clients can rate hotel food using a rate food function. They provide a star rating from 1 to 5 and they can also add comments. Finally, the function named view menu simply display the content of menu.txt which include the hotel food offerings.